Hey guys, welcome to the next video in the beginner series. My name is Vamshi Prasad and let's get started. In this video, we'll actually be writing fresh code. Always remember, in any Flutter project, the first file to be executed is this file called main.dart, which I have opened up here. Let's go ahead and clear out everything. Now, the first thing which we'll do is gonna import the material library, and it is optional, but you can import the Cupertino library as well. So what are these libraries, right? So material library is provided by Google. It is the material designing kit or library which is also developed by Google. Now what is Cupertino? Cupertino is also a library which is used for developing iOS style widgets. Yes, all the things which are rendered in a Flutter project are widgets, be it a box or text or anything in that case. After we import that package, we know that in most of the languages, the first function or method to be executed is the main method. So we'll type that void main. And in this, we need to tell the project to run this app called app. Or for now, let's not name it as app. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to run a material app in which the thing which is to be executed will be named as app. Now yeah, I am getting this error because I have not defined what app is, right? Now what is this material app? Remember, everything in Flutter is open source, so you can just hold Control or Command and click on one particular widget and you can see what all it can take, right? So material app, it's basically for making an app materialized. Now I'm gonna create this app. For that I can just type stl. It's gonna give this emit, so I'm gonna type it as app and you can see this error is gone. Now what you can see, this class extends stateless widget, right? There are two types of widgets, one is stateless and stateful. Stateful is used when we actually want to remember the particular state of the app throughout the program, but we are not doing any of such stuff, so we'll just use stateless widget for now. You can see there's this thing called build widget, right? This is what is going to be built when we actually develop the complete app. So you can see it is returning a container. So we don't want just a container, right? So I'm gonna put it as a scaffold. Now what is a scaffold, right? Scaffold is a widget which enables all those fancy app bars and navigation bars, bottom navigation bars, floating buttons and etc. Drawers, so many things. So here I'm gonna take a body and I'm gonna just render a text. It's gonna say hi Flutter, right? So I'll explain you this. What is basically happening is I'm building out this app in which I'm just printing out a text here. So I'm gonna run this and let's see what happens. See you there. Okay, it has compiled and you can see over here basically there's something called hi Flutter. I think it's it's behind this status bar. And you can see this debug, right? We can actually go ahead and remove that. Just type in debug here and set it to false. And the beauty of Flutter is you can just save it and it is gone. Sometimes it's gone, sometimes it's not. So I'm just gonna reload the app, not rebuild the app, just reload the app and see it's gone. Right now we'll do one thing. I'm gonna bring this hi Flutter to the center here. For that you have two ways. You can click on this bulb icon and click on center, or you can just click on command and dot and wrap with center. Save this and see it's on the center now. So let's go ahead and do some more coding for now. I'm gonna give it some style. This style will take in text style widget, and in this you have so many things. You can set the background, color, decoration, font family, font size, font weight, so many things. For now I'm gonna set the font size to 20. You can see it has increased, and font weight to font weight dot bold. It has become bold, and I'm gonna actually change the color to colors dot gray or green. Ta-da! It is that simple as that. You can go ahead and mess with your code and change some stuff like change it to purple or increase the font size like a lot. Like I can just double this and make it so big. So for now that's it. I think this is already quite a long video. I'm ending this now. See ya. Have a nice time.